The ultimate money kit. 7 must-have tools for financial success. Are you tired of feeling like your money is all over the place? One month you're saving, the next you're overspending, and somehow your money just disappears. But what if I told you that a simple money kit could help you stay in control of your finances effortlessly? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you exactly what to put in your money kit to master your budget, savings, and even your investments. So what exactly is a money kit? It's a simple system that keeps all your financial tools in one place. Whether you want to budget better, save more, or get out of debt, having a structured money kit can change the game. And the best part? You can start building yours today. First up, you need a budget planner or a budgeting app like YNAB, Mint, or Good Budget. If you prefer paper, grab a notebook or a printable budget sheet. The key is tracking your income and expenses so you always know where your money is going. Next, a savings tracker. This helps you visualize your progress and stay motivated. Whether it's a simple spreadsheet, a goal tracker in your banking app, or even a good old-fashioned jar system tracking savings is crucial. Investing doesn't have to be scary. A money kit should include a basic guide to investing in stocks, ETFs, or robo-advisors like Acorns or Wealthfront. Even setting aside a small amount each month can make a huge difference in your future. Debt can feel overwhelming, but with a solid plan, you can tackle it head-on. Use either the debt snowball method, smallest to largest debts, or the debt avalanche method, highest interest first. Keep a written plan or use an app like Undebt.it to track progress. Setting financial goals keeps you on track. Write down your short-term goals, like saving for a vacation, and long-term goals, like buying a house or retirement. Stick it in your money kit so you can review it regularly. The envelope system is a lifesaver for those who overspend. You divide your money into categories: groceries, entertainment, etc., and only spend what's in the envelope. If you prefer digital, apps like Quave Money do the same thing. Last but not least, a side hustle planner. Whether you're freelancing, selling online, or doing gig work, track your income and expenses so you can grow your extra income stream efficiently. Here's a pro tip. Keep your money kit in an accessible place, whether it's a folder, a digital document, or even a money binder. The easier it is to use, the more likely you'll stick with it. So what would you add to your money kit? Drop a comment below. And if you want a free printable template to build your own money kit, type in the comments, "Send me the template." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to get their finances in order. Let's take control of our money together.